Okay, let's take a look at how to maximize the morning move. Okay, as a day trader, I want to make sure I'm trading with momentum. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, guys. I'm going to show you how I spotted this reversal before it even happened. But inside this box over here on the left hand side is the London session, the morning move. Okay, so I always want to be trading the morning move, and then I'm done day trading it at 9 a.m. in the morning, where most people are starting a day's work. Us day traders train the London session, hoping to be done for the day. Now, we were green here. Now, we're trading with our colors, our Pro Trade system colors. Lovely green buy signal this morning, 7 a.m. We just go higher. The tracks are green. So all you're following is the colors here. Green tracks, green Pro Trading system. Now we're green and long, and this is a 30-point move. That's a £300 profit to the upside there. Okay, and then we got this huge, great big sell-off. We turned red and stayed red. This is the key for maximizing and growing your account. If you can stay in trades a long time and then exit for maximum profits, then your account is going to grow. But if you're always taking small profits, then your account is never going to grow. And this is why the Pro Trade system helps me here. The colors keeping me short this market until it turns green. Inside this box is where I want to trade. Inside the box on the right is where I don't want to trade, even though the Pro Trade system had a lovely buy here for 30 to 40 points profit. I don't want to trade inside here. I'm done with the morning move. This is over 130 points profit this morning. All right. So if you're doing that with £10 a point, you've made £1,300 profit in a spread betting account. All right. So this is the maximizing of the profits. You want to wait until it turns green to get out the trade. All right. Stack the odds on your side inside this box. Stack the odds on your side inside this box by not trading this session. We want to wait now until 1 p.m. All right. So 1 p.m. is when US opens. We start trading it again. So if we can stay out of this, because you don't want to be sitting there all day long trading the markets. You need a life. You want to be doing something now. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. I'm doing this video for you. So I'm doing something else. I'm not trading. I've maximized my profits by using the colors. And it's that window of opportunity. And there's so many reasons why this is beneficial to us day traders, us humans that have got emotion. Because if we just sit here and trade all day, chances of making mistakes increase. So if I can filter you into this window here on the left hand side to just take those buy and sell signals with the colors and just follow them simply every morning, then the chances of you making consistent profits increases. Now, why did I spot this rolling over? We can see the storyteller here had what we call a bearish divergence. We made a new high, and I've done a video on this before. All the breakout traders got sucked in to buying the breakout this morning. It doesn't work, guys, in the London session. And then we completely rolled over and turned red tracks, red Pro Trade system. So that's my signal to short the market. We had the divergence here. That was the reason I shorted it. Now, if we had the divergence and not got the red tracks, red Pro Trade system, I wouldn't have shorted the market. So I need the setup and then I need the trigger. Okay, and you can learn that trigger at Trading College with the colors here on our course and trade with us live every morning. All right, so we just shorted it, stay short, turns back to green, exit. How easy is that? Putting it all together in the London session allows you to trade with momentum and with the odds and probabilities stacked on your side. All right, guys, hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and hopefully come and trade with us, guys. Speak to you soon. Take care.